So to make your pumpkin cake pops, you're going to take the cake pop stick and press it quite firm into your chilled cake balls. I normally like to leave about 1/2 inch gap in between each of the indents, but to be honest, as long as you get about 5 or 6 in, it's pretty good. Once you've indented all of your cake balls, you're going to want to put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes to chill. Next, you're going to take your cake balls out of the fridge, and I normally take about 4 out at a time. Dip the stick into your melted candy melts and push one into the underside of each of your pumpkin cake balls. Once you've done this, it's time to dunk your cake balls into the candy melts. Give them a good dip and then tap off any excess very gently. And then add your piece of pretzel. And then you're done, let them set. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. And then once they're set, repeat with all of your pumpkin cake pops until they're all finished, and enjoy!